Russell Kane, he is a Calhoun County realtor here to talk to us about the volunteerism and charitable work he does in the community. Welcome, Russell.
Well, I'm glad to be here. Appreciate you inviting us this morning.
Well, it's great to see you and to talk about all of the wonderful things happening in Port Lavaca. But first, we're going to start with the theater.
We have a new play coming up in September. You can order the tickets online. It Must Be Monday, It Must Be Murder. And
celebrating 25 years.
25 years, yes. And that theater was the protection for the hurricane victims in 1942. It was originated in 1936. We was able to get the $5 and $10 donations and secure the grant from the Meadows Foundation. And we have an active group of people, the Port Lavaca Main Street. I'm a director now. I was past president for many, many years. Tanya French is our president, and she's doing a good job. And we're just always looking for people to help us, because this is for young people. I can't tell you how many times that being on that stage, it helped me overcome stage fright. And the last play I was in was Driving Miss Daisy.
Oh, I love that play.
And Dorinda Norell and the engineer from Alcoa was Hoke. And I told him, I said, we're going to list Mama's house with that realtor, Russell Kane. He'll sell it real quick. Anyway, it brought the house down. And I have fond memories of growing up in Port Lavaca and that theater and the newsreels, and it was really a good time. And we had so many volunteers that helped. I couldn't list them all. There's so many, but that was a big community project in the early 90s.
Wow, and to have theater by the sea and to see it be renovated, renewed, and to celebrate 25 years this September. What a big time to be in Port Lavaca.
Anyway, but I'm thankful for our volunteers, thankful for our community continues to support us. And this is something that I grew up wanting, because I always liked the theater.
It's beautiful.
The first play that we did in there was the night of January 16th. It was the first play that I did in high school, and Pat Urick was the director. And so when we did the first play there, she let us do the one in high school, and anyway, it was an experience.
So you've really grown up alongside this theater.
Oh yeah.
It's incredible.
I'm thankful. God is good.
Well, we'll go ahead and remind everyone about the dates for the big celebration. If it's Monday, This Must Be Murder. It's going to be from September 26th through September 29th. And for more information, email plmstheater@yahoo.com. And just take a drive down to Port Lavaca and admire it, because it is stunning. It's beautiful.
There's a restaurant right across the street called Texas Traditions.
Oh, I've been there.
It's wonderful.
Well, thank you so much, Russell. We're going to keep the conversation about Port Lavaca going, but first we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.